Good day everyone. My topic is all about bread pastry production. This is a project for the subject Teaching Strategies, presented to Dr. Nelu Pilulian. Here is my teaching demonstration. I am Maria Michelle Segura to a Master's of Arts in Technical Vocational Education major in Food Technology. Here is my data lesson plan in baking. This time, I'm requesting everyone to please stand. Let us have an opening prayer. In the name of the Father, Son, Holy Spirit, Amen. Good morning, class. So before you sit down, kindly pick up the sound dishes and trashes under your chair. Okay, take your seat. Do we have any assignment? Okay, let us check your assignment. Can exchange it to your seatmates. I will check your attendance. Please say present if your name is called. Very good. You are all present for today. Now, I'm requesting everyone to please stand. Let us have an energizer first to boost our mind and our body. Thank you, class, for your participation. So before we begin to our topic for today, let us have first a recap from our previous topic. What is our topic class meeting? Any volunteer? Yes, our topic class meeting is all about the classification of ingredients in baking. So in classification of ingredients, we do have three kinds, right? So that is the liquid ingredients, the dry ingredients, and the minor ingredients. So who can give me an example of a liquid ingredients? Yes, water and milk. How about the dry ingredients? Yes, we do have flour and sugar. In leavening agent class, very good, baking soda and baking powder. So I believe that you really understood the topic class meeting. So any clarifications and questions? So this time class, we will have an activity. So please count 1 to 3 and go to your respective groups. I have here a jumbled letters and I want you to arrange it. Okay, you're going to place it here in the board. Arrange the group of letters to form a words. The first group that will going to do the task will be given a 20 points and 10 points for the remaining groups. Thank you, class, for your teamwork and participation. The group that got the correct answer is Group 2. So congratulations, you got 20 points. So class, kindly settle down. Go back to your respective seats. Okay, you are all right. Our topic is about baking tools and equipment. Now, who can compare the tools and equipment? Yes, tools are handheld and equipment is operated in an electricity. So first class, we have here our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to, everyone can read. First, identify and classify baking tools and equipment based on their uses and functions. Second, demonstrate and apply baking bread and pastries principles correctly. Third, appreciate and value the importance of baking in their daily life. So we have here the classifications of baking tools and equipment. So we do have 6 types. First, preparatory tools. Second is measuring tools. Third is mixing tools. Fourth is the baking pans and the baking equipment. So as you can see here in the front, we do have different tools and equipment in baking, right? So we're going to identify these later. First, we do have the preparatory tools. So what do you think are the examples of preparatory tools? First, we do have spatula. So we do have spatula here. So we do have different types of spatula used for baking. So when we say spatula, it is used in spreading the frostings and icings of a cake. Next, we do have another tool. What do you think wooden spoon. So wooden spoon is used for mixing our butters. So we do have the two kinds, the round one and the flat one. Okay, so those are the basic preparatory tools. Another tool is we do have the measuring tools. So when we talk about measuring tools, we do have three kinds. So first, we do have the measuring spoon. What do you think is the use of the measuring spoon? Yes, get it right. When we say measuring spoon, it is used for measuring the small amount, the liquid or dry ingredients. So we do have 1/4, 1/8, 1/2, 1/4, 1 tablespoon. For liquid measuring cup, we are here an example. It is used for measuring our liquid ingredients like water and milk. On the other hand, when we talk about dry ingredients, okay, we do have here the dry measuring cups. It is used for flour, white sugar, and brown sugar. Another classification of tools is mixing tools. So when we talk about mixing tools, we do have two kinds. So here are some examples. Electric hand mixer and hand mixer. They are both electrically operated. So we have here an example of mixing bowl. So when you say mixing bowl, for easy mixing, we're going to use this one, and it should be large enough, most especially in baking. Another, we have a wire whisk. It is used for beating the eggs and stirring of our sauces. So for our electric mixer, we will use this pan. Another classification is baking pan. So when we talk about baking pan, you have different sizes and shapes, right? So we have the round for our chiffon or chip pan. We do have for our rectangular and square and any shapes that we do have. We have heart shape for our cupcakes as well for our cakes. Last classification is we do have the baking equipment. So we have here an oven. So it is indeed an important equipment used for baking because that we're going to use in baking or baking our cakes and pastries. So we have here a microwave oven. The last one is the cooling rack. So this is an example. Here is a cooling rack. We do have two kinds, the small and the medium size. So in the cooling rack, it is used for cooling cakes until ready for our icing and for our frosting. So any clarifications? So this time, we're going to name and classify according to its function. You're going to write your answer in a 1/2 sheet of paper and you're going to put baking tools and equipment in the corresponding area. Classify the preparatory, measuring, mixing, baking pans, and the baking equipment. I will give you 10 minutes to do the task. Thank you for your participation. It seems that you already identify and classify the different tools in baking. Each group will be given a recipe. So you have your recipe. This is for group 1, group 2, group 3, 4, and 5. So each group will be given a recipe consisting of the procedure and the ingredients. So what we're going to do is that we're going to list the baking tools and equipment used for the specific procedure that you're going to need in your practical. So perform and present it, and I will give you 1 hour to do the practical. For group 1, you're going to make a chiffon cake. Group 2, ube cake. Group 3 is the carrot cake. Group 4, mocha cake. And group 5 for chocolate cake. Times up, class. 1 hour is already done. Here is the criteria for judging and evaluating your presentation. For execution, 25%, taste and texture, Why is it important to know the basic baking tools and equipment? Yes? Okay. So what is the importance of following the correct procedure in baking? How is it applicable and essential in daily life? Indeed, baking is love made visible. It is an art. It is done out of love to share with family and friends to see them smile. It is important to follow the procedure in baking because it affects the taste, the texture, and the appearance of your cakes and pastries. Now, to evaluate further understanding, let us have